Hello, how do we solve this beautiful math question? K times K times K could be written as K to the power of 3 minus K times K, that is K square, equal to 100. This means that K to the power of 3 minus K square minus 100 is equal to 0. So we have K to the power of 3 minus K square minus, we can rewrite 100 as 125 minus 25. So we have 125 minus 25 equal to 0. This means that K to the power of 3 minus K square minus 125 could be written as 5 to the power of 3 minus 25 also could be written as 5 square equal to 0. So K to the power of 3 minus K square minus times 5 cube, that is minus 5 cube, minus times minus 5 square, that is plus 5 square, equal to 0. Now let us rearrange this equation. So we have K to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 minus K square plus 5 square is equal to 0. I can put these guys in brackets, so I have K to the power of 3 minus 5 cube. Also, to put these two guys in brackets, let us factor out the negative sign. So that will be minus into K square minus 5 square equal to 0. At this stage, let us recall some beautiful properties. The first one is the rate of 2 cube. Recall that A to the power of 3 minus B to the power of 3 is equal to A minus B times A square plus AB plus B square. The second property is the rate of 2 square, which is A square minus B square is equal to A minus B times A plus B. Firstly, let us apply this first property to this guy. So doing that, we have K minus 5 times K square plus 5K plus 25 minus, applying this second property to this, we simply have K minus 5 times K plus 5 equal to 0. You will notice that K minus 5 is common. We can pull it out, so that will be K minus 5 into K square plus 5K plus 25 minus K plus 5. So close bracket equal to 0. So we have K minus 5 times K square plus 5K plus 25 minus times K, that is minus K, minus times 5, that is minus 5, equal to 0. This means that K minus 5 times K square, 5K minus K, that is plus 4K, 25 minus 5, that is plus 20, equal to 0. This implies that K minus 5 is equal to 0, or K square plus 4K plus 20 is equal to 0. This is plus. From this line, it is very obvious that K is equal to 5. Let's call this K1. This is the first solution. Now, let us solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula, which is K equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC, all divided by 2A. From this equation, it is obvious that A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4, and C is equal to 20. So we have K equal to minus, what is B? B is 4. So we have 4 plus or minus square root of B square, that will be 4 square, minus 4. What is A? A is 1, so we have times 1. What is C? C is 20, we have times 20. All divided by 2. What is A? A is 1, so we have times 1. This means that K is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square is simply 16 minus 4 times 1 times 20, that is 80, divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. So K equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 80, that is negative 64, divided by 2. K is equal to minus 4 plus or minus, we can rewrite square root of minus 64 as square root of 64 times square root of negative 1 divided by 2. K is equal to minus 4 plus or minus, what is square root of 64? That is simply 8 times square root of negative 1 divided by 2. K is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 8. Don't forget, square root of minus 1 is I from the complex number. So we have I here divided by 2. K is equal to, you will observe that we can factor out 2 from this numerator. So that will be 2 into minus 2 plus or minus 4I divided by 2. K is now equal to, clearly, 2 cancels 2, we are left with minus 2 plus or minus 4I. This is another solution. So, therefore, all the solutions that we have for this algebra problem are, the first one is K1 is equal to 5, K is equal to, from this, we can obtain our K2. Consider the positive sign, we have minus 2 plus 4I. This is K2. Similarly, K3 is equals to, considering this negative sign, that is minus 2 minus 4I. These are the three solutions for this algebra problem. That's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please share your tips. Please tell me if this video was helpful and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my other videos as well. Have a good one.